we're working on a Kia Sportage here. Customer put in a new switch, didn't fix anything. It has remote starts if somebody's put these wires in. But anyhow, there's two power feeds. This is ignition 2, ignition 1. Ignition 1 is dead. Test light hooked up to battery ground, nothing. Ignition 1 is coming from this fuse here. If we look right here, we see the green crusties right there on that wire. Right there's our problem. I'm gonna fix that wire and she'll be as good as new. For the money shot! Pull, baby, pull! Oh! Well, we now got a power ignition 1 down there at the ignition switch, so we should be ready to rock. Is she gonna live?